Hello guys, so in this tutorial I am going to teach you how to sign a PDF file. So let's say you have a PDF file that you need to sign and you don't have a Adobe Acrobat, or you don't want to use a crack software. We can still sign our PDF file using a website called DocHub. So first we need to open our browser and search for DocHub. Here is the website, and then you have to sign up, but I've already signed up. So if I click this get started for free, it will bring me to my dashboard. So first we need to upload our PDF file. Just click this new document, then upload. Then let's locate our PDF file. So for I have an example PDF file here. Here it was already uploaded. So in this PDF file I need to put my name here and my signature. So first I will put my name here. So for example, John Doe. Here you can increase the size of the text like that, and you can also change the color if you want, or the font, and also the text alignment, or make it bold, make it italic. And then if I click this arrow, I can move this around here. That. And now we are going to put our signature here, so just click this image icon and here is a sample e-signature. Here, so we need to resize this. Like that. And then this is ready to go, guys. Then next thing we need to do is to download this PDF file. So just click this download button and download. Here is the code. So this is now the signed PDF file with our name and signature here. So if I hope you find this video helpful, guys. That's all. Thank you.